Hey everyone! If you didn't get a chance to watch the video I already posted on my 100 outfit challenge, please check that out now. This is the second version of this video, just giving you a little bit more context and commentary and all that good stuff, but please check out the first video if you haven't already. This is all of the clothing I own. I went through everything just so I could find out what I want to donate and get rid of. This first outfit I actually got on my last day in Thailand when I was at Koh Phi Phi, so this one was a definite keep. These were both a little snug, so donate. These were both keep, very comfy clothes. This was a keep too. This is a new sweater I got for my new job. I haven't worn it that much, but I think it's a really cute design and it was only a few bucks. This dress I've had since I was 16 and I actually kept it. Both of these were donated. I believe these were both keeps. As my friend Sophie calls it, a classic Yana outfit, so keep. This one, I actually ended up keeping. This was another keep. I swear I donated stuff, guys. This was donate. And this was actually keep. They're very nostalgic sweatpants. If you're from my hometown, you understand. These were both donate. And this was both donate. This one I'm going to repurpose into some cloth just for art supplies. This one was a keep. These ones were both donate. This was a keep. I got this dress last summer and I really love it. The dress was a donate. I believe the flannel was keep. I'm not 100% sure. This dress is one of my classic interview dresses, so I kept it. This was another keep. This is my Freddy Krueger dress. Funny story, I'm gonna be Freddy Krueger eventually and wear that. Donate. 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 Donate my Kill Bill outfit. These are my scrubs, so I'm keeping them for work. These are both donates. They've been in my closet for a while. My marshmallow vest was a donate. These were all donates actually. These both I ended up keeping. I kept the pants and the sweater, but the shirt I didn't keep. That was donate. This I kept. It's one of my favorite summer dresses. This was a donate. Donate. These I actually ended up keeping. I kept the shirt and I donated the pants. This is in the donate or give to a friend pile. This one I'm going to repurpose. These were keeps. I actually kept both of these, shockingly enough. The shirt was donate, the pants was keep. These were both donate. The skirt was donate. I kept the shirt because it was an A$AP Rocky shirt from a concert I went to. These were donate on the shorts, keep on the sweatshirt. This one I kept actually. I ended up keeping the top, donating the bottom. I kept the skirt, donated the top. So the only thing I kept here was the sweatshirt, even though I think this is a fire outfit, to be honest. This one I kept, it's sleepwear. I kept the pants and the top actually. I donated everything except for the sweater. Here I donated everything. I kept the pants here. These are all donation. I'm gonna repurpose the shirt and I kept the skirt. I got rid of the flannel, kept the bodysuit. Here I only kept the yoga pants and the sweater, got rid of the top. This was all donate. I kept the sweatshirt and pants. This was big donate. Donated my bad luck green sweater. That sweater gives me the worst luck. These were all keep, work clothes. I think I kept the sweater, kept this sweater. I like this sweater a lot. I kept everything here. I donated the top, kept the sweater. I ended up keeping this one. I ended up donating my 21st birthday dress and that flannel. I kept this because these are work clothes. Kept this dress. I really like this dress for work. Yeah, I kept all of this, I believe. I think I donated those pants. I kept that dress, donated the flannel, donated the dress, donated this dress too. Kept my Dirty Heads Medusa shirt. Donated that sweater, gross. Kept this work clothes. Donated. I ended up donating this shirt, even with the strings. My cousin made me this shirt. Oh my god, shout out to my cousin. She did all the needlework and surprised me with it for Christmas, so shout out to my cousin Sasha. Love you, girl. Donated this shirt. Donated, oh no, I kept this one. I kept this t-shirt. Kept these. It's a really comfy sweater. I kept my Bored Teenager brand sweatshirt. Kept my work clothes. This is from Koh Phi Phi 2 in Thailand. I kept that. Kept my Australia shirt from when I went there. Kept my mustard sweater. I kept this Steve Jobs look. I kept this from an artist residency, this shirt. This is from Streetlight Manifesto, the band. Kept that. Misfits, the band. Kept that. And finally, Bob Ross. Of course I kept this. Yeah, so that's basically everything that I went through that I filmed. As you can see, this is a lot more clothes than what was filmed. So yeah, that's what I ended up keeping, donating, repurposing, just in case you guys were a little bit more curious. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video. If you watched it until the end, comment in the comments. I can't even think of something cool to comment. Okay, I guess just comment I watched this until the end, which isn't original, but I'll take it. And I appreciate all the support. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting more videos more regularly. And if you liked this video, tell me why you liked it. Comment anything. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much.